Is Andrew Ng's machine learning course still relevant in 2026? The short answer is yes. In fact, it's still one of the best beginner-friendly AI courses if you want to build a solid foundation in machine learning. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, there's a discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. It's currently one of the best ways to access this specialization and thousands of other top-rated courses. Andrew Ng's Machine Learning Specialization is the updated version of his legendary machine learning course. It's offered by DeepLearning.AI and Stanford Online. More than 800,000 learners have already enrolled, and it holds an outstanding 4.9-star rating from nearly 39,000 reviews. So why is it still relevant? Because the fundamentals of machine learning haven't changed. Modern AI tools may evolve quickly, but every machine learning engineer still needs to understand concepts like supervised learning, neural networks, decision trees, model evaluation, and feature engineering. This specialization teaches those concepts through practical projects using Python, NumPy, scikit-learn, and TensorFlow. Another reason is Andrew Ng's teaching style. He explains difficult topics in a simple and structured way. Instead of rushing into advanced AI, he helps you understand why machine learning models work and how to improve them for real-world applications. The specialization also covers unsupervised learning, recommender systems, reinforcement learning, and industry best practices. That makes it an excellent starting point before moving on to deep learning or generative AI. If you plan to continue learning after this specialization, Coursera Plus offers much better value than buying courses one by one. It gives you access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and hands-on projects from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Stanford, and many other leading institutions. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is available with a limited-time 40% discount. That brings the price down to just $239 for the entire year, making it a smart investment for anyone planning to learn AI. So, is Andrew Ng's ML course still relevant in 2026? Absolutely. If you're serious about building real machine learning skills, it's still one of the strongest foundations you can get. If you're ready to start, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.